shit.
That's what I'm talking about.
Wait.
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys.
Hello guys from my Iacopelli, welcome back to my channel. Like you can see behind me, we have the Pizza Expo, the biggest pizza show in the world. And guess what? Is of course in Las Vegas in the United States. Today is gonna be so much fun because you guys are going to learn a lot of things, but most importantly, I'm going to present my masterclass to all my fans. So today I'm going to meet you in person. Guys, go ahead, smash the like, subscribe. It's gonna be so much fun. The pizza making process, you're gonna see the real deal, the real masterclass in live. I'm going to bring you all around this amazing show because you deserve to see what's going on. And also guys, I'm going to visit one of the biggest chain of pizza in the United States. And when we have a little break, I'm going to visit this pizza place because they catch my eyes. So it's gonna, something interesting is coming. So let's go ahead. Now it's time to visit this Pizza Expo. Let's go.
Maestro Vito Iacopelli, soft and crunchy.
Bravo.
Soft and crunchy.
Here we go guys, we're gonna make the dough for tomorrow because tomorrow is gonna be the big day, but this year of course no competition because I'm too busy. I want to focus on you and of course the dough of my masterclass, the Poolish. The secret is the method how we make the dough. We put everything together and then of course we're gonna add half amount of the water. We get the dough all together and that's when you're going to speed up the machine at the max speed. When the water is over, the dough is ready. You need to have olive oil in your hands, otherwise it's gonna stick and then you're gonna break it. We put the olive oil everywhere. This way the dough doesn't get sticky and we don't damage the gluten structure. There we go, boom boom boom, the pizza dough is ready. My booth and we have the dough ready. Like you can see, the dough balls, come here, voila. This pizza is gonna be, this dough is gonna be soft and crunchy, guaranteed. So we have used my own flour here, like always, and a good, really good product, truffle, and of course a really good cheese. I want to say thank you to Di Stefano Cheese. This family made it possible to be here and give me the opportunity to have a little stand. But of course, I have Michele, my helper. Thank you, Michele, for your support and help.
It's an honor to be here.
Like this way I can make the content for you know what I mean? And he can make pizza and take care of the customer that came here. So guys, it's time to show you the first pizza of the day.
So good. Very good. Love it.
delicious. Thank you, Vito. Thank you. You guys need a spatula to make the pizza. Who doesn't have a spatula at home? Who doesn't have it? Oh, come on, man. That's a problem.
That's why pizza doesn't come out good.
The pizza doesn't come out good. Cut the side with the spatula. Don't do this thing. I saw people doing this. What is this? You see, how can you stretch this pizza like that? You tell me how you're gonna stretch it. It's not possible. Put a bit of flour on the bottom, upside down. So the top stays on top. If you go like this, the air is gonna go out and the pizza is not gonna be nice and puffy. You try to keep the dough, the air in the cross. Then you're going to press the air to the cross. We don't want to watch. We need to feel the dough. We need to feel it. So you feel without watching. You close your eyes and you feel it. Okay. So I feel that when it's thick, I press. When it's not, it's thin, I don't touch it. So that's it. I feel that it's all the same. This is another trick. You put your hands like that on top, lift it up, hands under. You make it big as you want it, and then down. That's how you stretch the pizza.
How many grams?
So if you're going to put the ingredients on the bottom part, the air, it goes out, and you're not gonna have a nice, good-looking pizza because the looking of the pizza is super important. That's how you hold the spoon, not like this, or like that. You have to hold it from here, like that. Then you control with your thinking in the center, and then you go little circle, you control. Voila. Parmesan, I like to put it everywhere, even if it goes a little bit on top of the crust, it's even better because it gives a nice texture. Like basil under the cheese because otherwise it's gonna get burned. And then fresh mozzarella on top. Of course, here we are using the Stefano cheese, which is a family owned and is local. It's important to use local products, guys. It's more fresh. Why getting something from the other side of the world? It's frozen. But what's soft and crunchy? These guys say always soft and crunchy. This part, the top part, it's crunchy, and the inside is gonna be soft. Okay. If it's all crunchy, you don't have the soft inside, so the texture is different, and that's not perfect for me. We are bringing the pizza to Nutella, guys. Nutella is always my favorite pizzas to do because it's a star shape. This is a story, and then I'm glad today I'm going to surprise Nutella himself with this pizza. So he's gonna be proud. Let's see his face now. Here we go, guys. The pizza, it's ready, and I'm gonna bring it to Nutella himself. Okay, is Nutella here?
Wow.
What is that?
I'm telling you, let me take this from you.
I should have made a Nutella pizza. Oh, this pizza went to Leonardo DiCaprio, Sylvester Stallone with Nutella. You know what I'm saying?
I could. I will. That's good. That's delicious. Yeah. Very good. What's on the end?
The mascarpone and Nutella.
Okay. Sure.
You cannot be wrong with Nutella in there. Quindi the owner here, one of the best successful pizza company in USA because the custom. Look at this oven, man. Look at this oven. Double door. Outstanding. Look at the look. Amazing. Take a look, one of the best company for truffle in the world. I mean, let's go see what they have. Signori, buongiorno.
Come stai?
The best truffle company. Look at this. Hold on. Wow. Gold, guys. I always use this. I put it on the, basically, I put the pepperoni and truffle onion on top. Outstanding pizza, guys.
It changed your pie, right? Now you elevate to
Amazing. And then if you have money, people that want to wait, we
do the
put the
fresh.
truffle. Go, we are a bellissimo, one of the best prosciutto in Italy, actually in the world. Ferrarini, the beautiful prosciutto. Taste it. The best tasting. Wow. And guys, finally we made 400 pizzas today, insane numbers. We had to finish everything and complete the day, but now let me bring you to this pizza place. Let's go try together this pizza, this American pizzeria. Pizza is my life, so we have to go ahead and try this pizza. So let me bring you with me. Let's go.
Hit it! That's what I'm talking about.
Wait!
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys.
And now guys, it's time to taste this pizzeria. I brought you here because it's, I think it's special, so I have to see what's so special of this pizza place and then maybe if I like this pizza. So let's go ahead and let's see the pizza. Let's go, come with me. This is famous for the custom order. Also they have a different style, thin crust and thick crust, but I'm here for the thin crust. Let's go. Yeah, how you doing? Hey, they recognize me here too. Wait, what are we gonna do? Every time I go to the pizza places, sorry, one second. I'm doing a video really quick. And now, can I shoot you on the? Can I put you on the video?
Yeah, come in the
Okay,
back.
thank you. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna go in the back. But hopefully they understand who I am or not. This guy follow me on YouTube, so let's go. I'm here to get a classic cheese pizza, margherita.
Yeah, let's make you an original thing.
Oh, yeah, the original one. Let me see how you make it. Let me see how you make. Are you ready for me? I think he's ready. Got one. Insane toppings here. We have all the meats. Well, you know, my friend, I just wanted a cheese pizza margherita, simple. You guys have basil?
Basil, yes.
Okay, basil, frozen basil. Good basil. And also, what kind of crust you have? I'm here for the thin crust. I know that you have different one. Pie rice.
Pie rice, double the thickness. So it's twice as thick.
Okay.
Then we have cauliflower crust
Yeah.
and gluten-free crust.
Regional, typical Paiology pizza right now.
Original Camarita.
Yes, clean cheese pizza. Let's see how they make it. Okay, yeah.
So he's grabbing the thin crust right now.
Thin crust, okay, perfect. That's what I want. Thin crust, body style.
Dog it to make sure there's no bubbles.
Great. What is that?
We're going sauce.
Sauce. That's the oil.
Olive oil.
Oil on the crust. Nice.
It's in the middle with the signature swirl.
Signature what?
Signature swirl. Going round and round.
Then what is that? Cheese.
Putting on our cheese.
Wow, there's so many tops. Oh my God. Basil. That's a classic margherita. I saw you open you. It's 537. A little low. Hold on, no garlic.
No
I don't
garlic.
like garlic. You guys put garlic on the...
Garlic.
No garlic.
Garlic
Okay,
and
no. That's a margherita with tomato. That's so American.
The tomato or the garlic?
The tomato and the garlic. What is that? That's not a margherita. What is that? Okay. And now let's go in the oven. Let's go in the oven. Aha. How long is it gonna take to cook?
Anywhere from 5 to 6 minutes.
5 to 6 minutes. Okay, I go take a nap. Okay, I go sit on the table and I can't wait to taste this pizza. And then I give you my vote. As the pizza is ready, of course, I have my little baby here and my daughter. We're gonna taste the pizza together and see what do you think. What do you think, Papa? Eh? Are you excited? Are you excited to taste the pizza? It's time to taste the pizza. It's time to taste the pizza. Great pizza, great pizza. You ready? Hot. That's the margherita from Poolish right now. The look is all right.
No garlic on it.
No, no garlic. I don't like garlic. I'm excited. I've been heard about this pizzeria. He wants to taste it. It's too hot, Papa. Hold on, hold on. I don't know if we should taste the pizza 8 months. What do you think, Papa? How is that? It's good? Let's taste.
Want more?
Good job, Papa. It tastes great. It tastes great.
Good?
It's good, it's good.
So tell me the truth. What can we do better?
Okay. To be honest, can I say this on camera or
Yeah.
everything?
Say it.
Honest?
Yeah.
You know how I always say the truth. I cannot say the pizza it's perfect if it's not perfect, because for me it's not really perfect, because the look, the base a little bit burned, the tomatoes, definitely it tastes really good, but we can get a lot of improvement on this pizza. I mean, if you want me to help you improve this pizza, I'm able to.
Yeah.
Is that proposed? I'm able to help you.
Yeah.
If you want. What do you think?
Help.
Yeah.
Your help.
Yeah, definitely. See, we can get an improvement for a lot of things.
What would you improve?
The look, the sauce, the crust, the basil, a couple of things. The cooking. But if you want me to help you to improve the product, not a big deal. You think it's official? What do you think?
Let's do it.
Let's do what?
Let's do it. Let's work together.
Work together. Is that official?
Let's see how we can make pizza the way it should be.
Definitely, guys. What do you think? Comment below. I should help. Give me 1 second. Hold on a second. Let me talk with my friends here. Guys, what do you think? Comment below. What do you think? I should improve this pizza or we just leave it like that? Tell me in the comment below and then I get my decision. Okay, my friend. I'll let you know.
Let's see what they say.
Thank you so much. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this pizza because it's really good. What about you? Thank you so much and nice to meet you. Let's go ahead. Okay guys, here is everything from me and Walter, and I'll see you every week with a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao!